why Indian seafarers, Indian crew members are not getting their joining, even though a lot of the cruise lines they have already announced they are going to sail from June, they are going to sail from July, and even some of them they have already started sailing. Then why Indian crew members, Indian seafarers are not getting their joining? Well guys, this is what I'm going to talk about, and it's really very important. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. So guys, here I have been receiving so many of messages where people are asking me why you're not getting their joining when cruise line they have already started, means they have already announced they are going to start their sailings in June, in their July, and even in some other shipping companies as well. So guys, the problem is right now is in India there are so many of cases and none of the country wants to allow any of the Indian people wants to enter their country without vaccination. So guys, as you know, Indian seafarers is been recognized as a key workers into India, and they are a frontline workers into India. And the problem is guys, the government of India did not give a priority to Indian seafarers to get vaccinated. That's the problem, because as per in the documents, in the papers what the government has given to us, we are a key workers, we are a frontline workers of India. But when the priority is been given to a Bollywood stars, to the ministers, the government of India does not pay any attention to the Indian seafarers. That's a fact guys, that's a dark side of India. And Indian seafarers are not given that much of respect. Even though if you go to any of the hospital and you tell them I am a frontline key worker, they will ask you for your position, and if you tell them you are an Indian seafarers, they will say who are you? Means people doesn't even know in India what is Indian seafarer and who we are basically and for whom we are working. We hold a ID card which is issued by the government of India, but even if you show them, they will look at it more than 10 times, because it will take them a 1 hour to figure it out who the hell are you, because there is no information is provided by government of India. And you forget about the government of India, our ministry, DD Shipping of India. I don't know what is going on. Means DD Shipping of India as well has recognized Indian seafarers as a key workers, as a frontline workers of India. But when nothing is done from a DD Shipping, from the Director General of Shipping, then what do you expect from a government of India? You don't expect anything. You cannot expect anything. And that's the problem is happening, and that is why cruise lines are not giving a call to Indian seafarers, because we are not vaccinated, and they want all the crew members to get vaccinated as soon as possible. And then how they are going to give a call to us? Just because we are not vaccinated, we are not getting a preference to join the ship, and that is why other country seamen are getting preference. That's why they are giving call to Philippine peoples, they are giving call to Indonesians, they are giving call to Sri Lankans. But in being a Asian person, being a Asian crew members, Indians are not getting a call. And even some of the crew members they got their joining, they traveled last week, but they were not allowed to enter in country just because they were not vaccinated. And you forget about they joined the ship, they could not join their ship, they were directly put into quarantine. And this is happening not only in one country, this is happening in all over the world. And that is why cruise lines they want a vaccinated people. And other seafarers of other countries, they have been recognized as a key workers, and government they pay attention on it. It is really very important for all the countries to import and export must go on. It is really very important. For when everything was locked down, Indian seafarers, even the seafarers of other countries, our colleagues, our brothers, seafarers did the import and export, and now seafarers only are not getting a priority to get vaccinated. That's the problem. This is what is happening guys, and that is why we are not given a call. And even some of the peoples, they got the joining, but their joining was cancelled. Why? Because in India seafarers are not getting vaccinated. Indian seafarers did not get the priority to get vaccinated. So guys, unless we are vaccinated, we cannot join a ship as per the norms, because ships are going to sail with the 100% crew members who are vaccinated against COVID-19. And as per the situation which is happening into India, there is no proper supply, there is not enough of production. You forget about the COVID-19, in India there is no oxygen only. These are the planning of government of India. So you forget about India. Government of India will pay attention on the seafarers. They don't care. They don't care at all. They just want to deduct means they just want to deduct a welfare fund from our salary. When dollars are deducted from our salary and it is being sent to the government for the welfare, what can be done, guys? Nothing can be done unless we are vaccinated. We will not get a call. Means there are some positive vibes, there are some positive informations are coming out from the foreign ministries, from foreign shipping ministries, but once the news is confirmed, once the information is confirmed, then I will get back to you regarding on that. But at this point, Indian seafarers, they are not getting priority and for vaccination, and that is why Indian seafarers are not getting a call. It is that simple, guys. All right, and cases are going so high, so I want you to take care of your family. And we have a union, we have a National Union of Seafarers of India, which is run which is a NUSI basically, and NUSI had tried a lot, guys. Please do not criticize NUSI has done so much for us, and they really try. They really try. The problem is the corrupt system, our corrupt system. That's the problem is, guys. NUSI had tried more than 3 months to get a priority for Indian seafarers, and they are still trying, but let's see what is going to happen next. And guys, being an Indian seafarer, you get so many of benefits. The problem is those benefits are not available everywhere. Not means what can I say? So guys, the only thing I want to share with you is so if you are an Indian seafarers and if any of the person in your family, all right, requires oxygen, you can directly visit a NUSI website, and Indian seafarers are allotted oxygens. Indian seafarers means they were allotted ventilators as well. So all those things which, if you want to take advantage, if you want to, and if you require all those things, guys, if any of the person is not well in your family, then please go on a website of NUSI. And even guys, if you have kids and who are studying and you don't have a money, then you can even apply for some contribution from a NUSI, and you will be provided some amount, maybe 50,000 or 25,000, whatever they will issue you. So guys, I don't want to say anything else. The only thing I wanted to share with you is this is why the Indian seafarers are not getting joining. Alright, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, do the all notification on, so when I make more informative videos, you will get notified automatically. I do prepare videos on a cruise lines and the documentation process, and there are so many of things I have already posted on my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can go and visit my YouTube channel and you can take advantage of those videos. And if you have any question, please let me know on my Instagram handle. Thank you so much for watching.